Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching my channel and my video. Welcome. Today I'm making a doily and I'm using Aunt Lydia's Fashion 3 yarn. I picked 3 colors that I like. This one is called Copper Mist, this one is called Maize, and this one I already don't have a label anymore, but I believe it's Rose. And I'm using a 1.5 millimeter hook. Enjoy, let's get started. Make a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and form a ring by making a slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This will replace our double crochet, and make 23 more double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, and so on. You will have 24 double crochet, including the chain 3 that we made. This will be our first round. I have made a few double crochet and I just want to show you. I crocheted my ending into the ring, and when I pull on it, it pulls the ring tight. So it's not a magic ring, but you can pull on it with a regular ring, and I pull it really tight. And I will continue making my 24 double crochet. End round 1 with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3, and begin round 2. Chain 3 for the first double crochet, then double crochet 3 more into the next spaces. 1, then into the next space, 2, and into the next space, 3. We will crochet 6 groups of 4 double crochets with chains in the middle. 1, 2, 3 chains, and then into the next space 4 double crochet next to each other. 1 into the next space, 2, 3 into the next space, and 4 into the next space, and then again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 4 more groups like that. You will have 6 groups of 4 double crochet with a chain space of 3. Finish round 2 with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and start round 3 with a slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3, this is our first double crochet. Then make a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 2 double crochets into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the first double crochet and make 2 double crochets next to each other. 1, and into the next space, 2, chain 4, and 2 double crochets into the chain space. Continue this pattern until the end of the round. Let's finish round 3 with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Turn your work a little bit clockwise and around the second, this is the first, this is the second double crochet, put your hook from the front to the back and around, back to the front, and around this double crochet make 5 single crochets. 1 around this double crochet, 2 around, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work a little bit again into the same direction clockwise, and from the front to the back and again to the front. Around this first double crochet make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can turn your work again a little bit the same way. Now around the chain space, single crochet 2, 1, 2. Into the third one make a 7 chain picot, make a single crochet, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make a slip stitch picot. And single crochet 2 more into the same space. Make another spiral the same way we did here. 5 around the second double crochet, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, 2 single crochet into the space, the third single crochet with a 7 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, make a slip stitch, and 2 more single crochets into the same space. Now make another spiral, and it's going to go this way, down and up, around, down and up. You will have 12 spirals in the end with 12 7 chain picots. I finished my last spiral. Now I will single crochet 2 more into the last space, chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 more picot, single crochet 2 more into the same space, and I will change my colors so I can go ahead, cut my yarn, and I can turn the work over and pull the yarn down, and you can use of course a needle, make it very, very neat as you always do. And that's the end of round 4. Let's start round 5 with a new color. I'm pulling the new color through one of the loops, and I'm making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. I will make 7 double crochet in every loop, so I have to make 6 more double crochet into this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now make 7 into the next loop. One double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Continue like this to the end of the round. Make 7 double crochet into every loop. Finish round 5 with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Start round 6 with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then make 6 more double crochets in the next stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 7 double crochets. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, and again make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 with 2 chains, and repeat this pattern to the end of the round. Finish round 6 with a slip stitch 1, 2, 3 and 3rd chain. Start round 7 with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Make an unfinished double crochet into the next stitch. You have 2 loops on the hook. Now go into the next stitch, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all 3 loops. Make a chain, skip the next stitch, and make a double crochet into the 2nd stitch, and combine the last 2 double crochet. Leave 2 loops on the hook, leave 3 loops on the hook, and then pull through all 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the space, 1, 2, 3 chains, and now we're combining again. Unfinished double crochet into the 1st double crochet, unfinished into the 2nd double crochet, pull through all 3. Make a double crochet into the 3rd one. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, make a double crochet, and combine the last 2 double crochet. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and combine the first 2 stitches, 1, 2 combined. Make another double crochet into the next space, chain 1, skip a space, double crochet, and then combine the last 2 double crochet. I'm finishing round 7 with 3 chains and a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. I begin round 8 with 2 chains, 1, 2, and a double crochet into the next stitch. And I will put a marker on top of that stitch. Make a chain. We create another space like we did on the previous row, and now combine the next 2 double crochet. Make an unfinished double crochet, and then into the next stitch finish the double crochet. Pull through all 3. Make 5 chains and single crochet into the previous single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Combine the 2 double crochets. Leave 2 loops on the hook. And the next double crochet, leave 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3. Make a chain, then skip the chain we made and combine the next 2 double crochet. Chain 5. Make a single crochet in the single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And combine. Two double crochets, combine into 1 chain and combine the next 2 double crochet. I'm about to finish round 7. I'm making 3 more chains, and then I slip stitch into the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. Round 8 starts with 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next stitch that's here, double crochet and put a stitch marker into that top stitch. Chain 1 and skip the chain that we make. You see this double crochet here and the double crochet here that we combined. We also will combine those 2. Skip the chain, go into the next stitch, leave 2 loops on the hook, leave 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the previous single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and combine these 2 stitches again with double crochet. Leave 2 loops on the hook, go into the second double crochet, leave 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3, make a chain, skip the previous chain and go into the next 2 double crochet and crochet them together. 3 loops and through all 3 loops, 5 chains, single crochet in the previous single crochet, 5 chains, and double crochet the 2 previous double crochets together, chain, 2 doubles together, and then 5 chains, single crochet, 5 chains all the way to the end of the round. Let's complete row number 8. I've made 5 chains, and now let's look at the top of the sleeve. I have my marker and then 3 more stitches. I will make a slip stitch exactly where my marker is. It's between those 2 double crochets. Make a slip stitch, make 2 chains to start round 9. Now make an unfinished double crochet into the space with 2 loops on the hook, and then another unfinished double crochet with 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all 3. We started with 2 chains. Now if you look on the side, you can count. We ended up actually with 1, 2, 3 chains, which will replace our double crochet. I can take my marker out, and this is our finished sleeve. Let's continue. We made 7 chains. We made 5 chains previously. Now let's make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And single crochet again into the previous single crochet. 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we will combine all of these double crochets. We will combine here in the middle, and then there's a larger loop right through here. Make an unfinished double crochet into the first 2 where we combined. Pull through once, leave 2 loops on the hook. Now go into the chain space, 3 loops on the hook, and then the last one where we combined. We have 4 loops on the hook. Pull through all and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains, single crochet into the single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains, and repeat. Combine the first group, unfinished double crochet, the space, unfinished double crochet, in the second group, unfinished double crochet. Pull through all 4. So we will have on each tip 1, 2, 3 combined double crochets. We finished our 12 leaves. Let's start round 10. slip stitch into the third chain, single crochet 5 into the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep these 5 single crochet close to the sleeve. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet 5 into the next chain space, but close to this next sleeve. So I start pretty close to the next sleeve. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 single crochets, and again 5 single crochets on the other side of the leaf, close to the leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're repeating the same thing. We're putting the next 5 single crochet close to the next leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure you get these single crochet close to the top of the leaf and leave more space between here. This was round 9. Let's finish round 9 with a slip stitch into the first single crochet that we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I make the slip stitch into the 5th single crochet, and then we're changing colors again.